Imagine opening your Medicare mail this fall and learning that the plan tied to your doctors, prescriptions, and routine benefits will not exist next year. That possibility is now hanging over hundreds of thousands of people. And the most valuable part of the notice may be a temporary right that is easy to overlook. Missing that window could limit a choice you have later, especially if health problems would normally make a Medigap policy harder to buy. So, would you know where to start if your current health plan ended, or would the choices feel overwhelming? Unfortunately, this is a situation many families may soon be helping a parent or spouse work through. So here is the situation. Humana said during its July 29th earnings call that targeted Medicare Advantage plan exits for 2027 are expected to affect about 600,000 members. This does not mean Humana is leaving Medicare Advantage, and it does not mean all 600,000 people will leave Humana. The company expects to move a significant portion into other Humana plans, similar to the little more than 40% it recaptured after plan exits in 2025. Even so, a replacement carrying the Humana name should be treated as a new insurance contract, not an automatic continuation of the old one. At this stage, the national estimate tells us the size of the change, but not whether one specific member is affected. Humana has not provided a complete public list that beneficiaries can use to check every discontinued plan and county. The personal answer should come through official plan materials as 2027 choices are released. Until that notice arrives, do not cancel coverage or change doctors based only on a headline. So, why is Humana doing this after adding roughly 1.2 million individual Medicare Advantage members through the first half of 2026? Well, enrollment growth and profit are not the same thing. An insurer can gain members and still lose ground if medical and pharmacy costs, provider payments, benefits, and administrative expenses rise faster than the money coming in. Humana says its 2027 strategy combines benefit adjustments, operating improvements, and targeted exits from plans with weaker returns. The company is trying to restore a sustainable Medicare Advantage pre-tax margin of at least 3% by 2028. It reported that its insurance benefit ratio was 91.2% in the second quarter, meaning about 91 cents of each premium dollar represented by that measure went to covered benefits. Small percentage changes become very large amounts across millions of members. From Humana's side, concentrating on stronger plans is meant to protect benefits and stability where the company remains. There is also a federal payment debate behind the decision. Medicare Advantage plans are private plans paid by the federal government to deliver Medicare-covered services, often with prescription coverage and extras such as dental, vision, hearing, transportation, or fitness benefits. Federal officials finalized an average 2.48% payment increase for 2027 before expected coding trend is counted. Insurers say medical costs can still rise faster than their funding, while federal officials say accurate payments are necessary to protect beneficiaries and taxpayers. And star ratings matter too, because higher-rated contracts can qualify for quality bonus payments. Humana said most of the plans selected for exit were rated 3.5 stars or lower for the relevant bonus year. But it also cautioned that this is not simply a star rating story. Local medical costs, provider arrangements, benefit design, capital needs, and expected returns can all influence whether a plan stays. That is why two people with Humana coverage in neighboring counties could face very different choices. Now, suppose your plan really is ending on December 31st. You may be able to choose another Medicare Advantage plan, either from Humana or a competitor, or return to Original Medicare. If you return to Original Medicare, you may also need a separate Part D plan for outpatient prescriptions, and you may want a Medigap policy to help with deductibles, coinsurance, and other gaps. Original Medicare offers broad access to participating providers, but it has no yearly out-of-pocket limit for Part A and Part B services, so that Medigap decision can be important. So this is where the time-limited protection enters the picture. Medicare says that when a Medicare Advantage plan leaves Medicare or stops providing coverage in your area, you may have a federal guaranteed issue right to buy certain Medigap policies. In general, You can apply beginning 60 days before the Advantage coverage ends and no more than 63 days after it ends. To use this particular right, you must switch to Original Medicare rather than another Medicare Advantage plan. Also, guaranteed issue does not mean free coverage. It generally means a Medigap insurer cannot reject you or charge more because of past or present health problems when the protection applies. You still pay the Medigap premium, continue paying the Part B premium, and usually need separate Part D coverage. Prices can vary by insurer, location, age, tobacco use, discounts, and the pricing rules allowed where you live. So why could that temporary right matter so much? Picture a 74-year-old with heart disease who left the original 6-month Medigap enrollment period years ago. In many states, applying later may involve medical underwriting, so an insurer might charge more or deny the application. If that person's Medicare Advantage plan is terminated, a guaranteed issue period may open a path to eligible Medigap coverage without health screening. Choosing another Advantage plan first and seeking Medigap much later may not preserve the same protection. Not every unpleasant plan change creates this right. A higher specialist copayment, smaller dental allowance, formulary change, or doctor leaving a network is not necessarily the same as the plan ending or leaving the area. State protections can also be broader than the federal minimum. Before relying on any rule, confirm the exact event in your notice with Medicare, your state health insurance assistance program, or your state insurance department. If you are offered another Advantage plan, compare it from the ground up. Check every doctor, specialist, hospital, and pharmacy you use. Then check each prescription, drug tier, prior authorization rule, and preferred pharmacy. Compare premiums, deductibles, co-payments, and the annual out-of-pocket maximum, not just dental dollars or a fitness benefit. A $0 premium can still lead to higher total spending if the services you actually use cost more. For an Original Medicare option, add the full monthly cost of Part B, Medigap, and Part D, then compare that with the financial risk and network rules of Advantage coverage. Someone who travels often or sees many specialists may value broader provider access. Another person may prefer the lower premium and bundled extras of an Advantage plan with trusted local doctors. There is no single correct answer for all 600,000 potentially affected members. So just pausing for a moment to share something important with you. We've partnered with Chapter, a service we feel confident recommending for clear, honest Medicare help. They'll connect you with a licensed advisor, compare every Medicare plan in your area, and help you save money. Most people save around $1,100 a year. It's free, and their care advocate team is there to support you even after you're signed up. Call 615-639-1937 or visit askchapter.org/money using the link in the comments below. Let's keep going. So before enrollment season becomes noisy, make a simple coverage inventory. Write down your doctors, hospitals, prescriptions, preferred pharmacies, regular treatments, and the benefits you actually use. When the official non-renewal notice arrives, save it because a Medigap insurer may ask for proof that your coverage ended. Begin comparing early, and if you apply for Medigap, confirm acceptance and effective dates before assuming the transition is complete. Humana's announcement is serious, but it is not a reason to panic or make a rushed switch. Watch for the official notice, evaluate any replacement as new coverage, and verify whether a guaranteed issue Medigap window applies before choosing your path. A discontinued plan takes away a familiar option, yet careful action during the allowed period can help you build coverage that still fits your doctors, prescriptions, and budget.